This message is being broadcast at the request of the Bureau of Meteorology and the Queensland Government. There is no emergency, this is just a caution. At 9:45 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, a Category 2 cyclone was detected about 3,000 kilometres east of Brisbane and the Gold Coast. Currently the cyclone's estimated direction of travel will divert itself away from the Australian mainland. But the Bureau recommends that you take caution if you reside in Brisbane or the Gold Coast. Remember, this is just a caution and it is likely that the cyclone will not hit Queensland. Stay tuned into local media outlets or visit the Bureau's website at www.bom.gov.au, as the Bureau of Meteorology and the Queensland Government will be providing updates on the situation. Thank you for listening to this broadcast.